Maintaining an effective workforce. Now we turn to the topic of how managers and HRM professionals maintain a workforce that has been recruited and developed. Maintenance of the current workforce involves compensation, wage and salary systems, benefits, and, occasionally, termination. Compensation. The term compensation refers to 1. All monetary payments, and 2. All goods or commodities used in lieu of money to reward employees. 87. An organization's compensation structure includes wages and salaries and benefits such as health insurance, paid vacations, or employee fitness centers. Developing an effective compensation system is an important part of HRM because it helps to attract and retain talented workers. In addition, a company's compensation system has an impact on strategic performance. 88 HR managers design the pay and benefit systems to fit company strategy and to provide compensation equity. Wage and salary systems. Ideally, management strategy for the organization should be a critical determinant of the features and operations of the pay system. For example, managers may have the goal of maintaining or improving profitability or market share by stimulating employee performance. Thus, they should design and use a merit pay system rather than a system based on other criteria such as seniority. At retailer Macy's, for example, the board increased the sales component of bonuses for senior executives to encourage sales growth. In addition, if Macy's sales increase above the company plan, top executives can earn higher bonuses. The most common approach to employee compensation is job-based pay, which means linking compensation to the specific tasks an employee performs. However, these systems present several problems. For one thing, job-based pay may fail to reward the type of learning behavior needed for the organization to adapt and survive in a turbulent environment. In addition, these systems reinforce an emphasis on organizational hierarchy and centralized decision-making and control, which are inconsistent with the growing emphasis on employee participation and increased responsibility. Skill-based pay systems are increasingly popular in both large and small companies. Employees with higher skill levels receive higher pay than those with lower skill levels. Also called competency-based pay, skill-based pay systems encourage people to develop their skills and competencies, thus making them more valuable to the organization, as well as more employable if they leave their current jobs. As with other aspects of management, big data analytics programs are now being used to make compensation decisions. A company wondering how to cut attrition can gather data on turnover, promotions, job changes, benefits, work-life balance, and other factors for hundreds of thousands of workers and use predictive analytics to see what truly makes a difference. Does increasing pay keep people from leaving, or do other factors play a larger role? A large regional bank, for example, found that increasing pay shaved only half a point off the turnover rate for customer service representatives. People felt dissatisfied, not underpaid. Compensation equity. Whether the organization uses job-based pay or skill-based pay, good managers strive to maintain a sense of fairness and equity within the pay structure and thereby fortify employee morale. Job evaluation refers to the process of determining the value or worth of jobs within an organization through an examination of job content. Job evaluation techniques enable managers to compare similar and dissimilar jobs and to determine internally equitable pay rates, that is, pay rates that employees believe are fair compared to those for other jobs in the organization. Organizations also want to make sure that their pay rates are fair compared to other companies. HR managers may obtain wage and salary surveys that show what other organizations pay incumbents in jobs that match a sample of key jobs selected by the organization. These surveys are available from a number of sources, including the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics National Compensation Survey.